How to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve, quick and easy. Go up to File, create a new project. We've already created one. Go to File, Import Media, or you can hit Control-I. Import the video you want to subtitle. Don't change the frame rate. Take your file, drag it down to the timeline. We're going to go in the middle left here, click on this, create subtitles from audio. You can adjust the settings here. I'm just going to click create. It'll take a few seconds to generate the subtitles. Now, as you can see up here, we have all of our subtitles generated. We can go up here and look at the video and see that we have all our subtitles. If you want to export, you can go up to File and click Export Subtitles. Save it to a file, and then you can open it up